empty weight is 24,000 pounds, 24,360 pounds. So we can get like around 19 tons. I'm gonna get 19. So this guy in front of me doesn't have a CB radio, or he doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know. Man, I should have just kept going when I got here. The guy's just wasting time, man. Now we need to find a GAB. I think this is sand. Good morning, loaders. JB back there.
GAB?
Yeah.
Next mile on your left right there. Just get up on the roadside right there.
We have about
Thank you, Alex. Tickets will be in the box.
We have about 19 tons.
Do you know this other driver over here?
No, it's doing the same job.
He is, and he's so confused. I tried to tell him, like I told you, it's not a truck's job, and let me set him up under his hauling company on the side of his door, and he's just all confused.
Yeah, we got 19, 18 tons. So next time I could get about 19 and a half, 19 3/4. Let me talk to this driver real quick. I don't know if he knows English or I don't know what it's called. Alright guys, so yeah, you didn't understand English, so I helped him out.
I don't have any dispatch. Are you doing Bartow, baby? You're running independent. It's not a truck's request. Right, so is your independent truck BT-54?
It is, but on the app it has me under the 40251.
Right, but you're not running under trucks. The truck's number and the truck number is for Vulcan materials, and we do not have a dispatch for the truck, so you are running independently. And your first name?
On the way here, we used this road right here. I know you can't see. We turned right, and that's no truck road. I mean, it was so narrow. I had to go to oncoming traffic to make those turns and the curves. Like, oh my god! But there was no traffic, thank God. So I'm gonna just go this way and go this way. Truck road. Looks like we're gonna be passing Taylor Transport. So yeah. I wonder. I bet they named it Taylor Transport because they live in Taylorsville. But also, I think the founder, his last name is Taylor. There's a Petro. Is that Petro?
Thank you. The tickets will be in the box there on your left.
area in Cartersville is where one of the ex-owners of this truck lives. They have a W900L model. This is a B model. It looks almost the same, just different color, different rules. Days, bro. I thought it was gonna be a good day, but just finished my first load, man. Took us, well, it's about to be 10, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, bro. Because they want me to do a proof roll, man. That takes time, and also when I was coming through here, it was so bumpy. One of my tires came off the rim, man. Like the tire's still on there, but it's off the rim. It has no air, and I tried putting air. I can't. I need one of those air cannons where, you know, those big ass air tanks they use so they can put the tire on the bead. And man, I need to find a tire shop around here, man. Maybe I'll call up Taylor Transport and say, hey, I only want my tire 6. Damn, man. But we'll see what we can do. Another driver, man, Chief Sweet, you say, man, we should get back by an hour, man. We're wasting time. So I know, man. Yeah, I would have been better by the hour, bro. But I don't know how long this is, man. We're gonna have to wait. Oh, it's not that bad. So back where we're coming from, like a mile, half a mile behind me is another damn Vulcan, man. There's 2 Vulcans within 2 miles of each other, man. That's crazy. Never seen that before. 2 Vulcans really close to each other. Alright, let's go. So told you guys I'm a professional at fucking at spreading, man. The guy's like, hell yeah, man. That's how you do it. They laid it out perfect, man. Alright guys, so we're here at the quarry. Aragnon last load is 240. They close here at 4. The time it takes to load up, the time it takes to get over there and dump, it might be better. I don't have no time left. in the video yesterday. I already forgot how many loads I did yesterday. 6 loads yesterday. So today we're hauling the same materials yesterday, GAB. Hey, look at this truck with a sleeper. I thought there was only one dump truck with a sleeper. There's 2. There's a Columbia and an International. I don't even know the international models, man. I think, yeah, it's an international dump truck with a sleeper, man. The only other truck I know with a sleeper, dump truck with a sleeper, is a Columbia. It's rare to see those things, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Come on. We're in the residential, man. If I'm up, you're up.